Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll walk you through how you can set up your Smart Life Smart Plug step by step. So whether it is your first time using the Smart Life application or you are reconnecting the plug after resetting it, this guide is going to help you get everything working quickly. So as you can see, this is the Smart Life plug over here. And first of all, in order to set it up, you need to download and install the Smart Life application on your device from the Google Play Store or App Store. And then you need to simply sign in into your account. If you don't have an account, you need to create one. Now, once you have done that, you need to simply plug the smart plug into the wall outlet. Then you need to use this particular power button and you need to press and hold it for at least 5 to 15 seconds or until you see the indicator light that starts blinking rapidly. Now, once you have done that, you just have to simply open your Smart Life application on your phone. Now, when you are inside, you will be shown the add device option on the home page itself, or you will be shown the plus icon on the top right hand corner of the screen. So you can tap on any one of these. Afterwards, you just have to simply choose your electrical outlet or the socket Wi-Fi from the device list. Also, you need to make sure that your phone is connected to the 2.4 gigahertz network when you are performing this particular setup. Now on the next page, you just have to simply enter the Wi-Fi name and the password, and then you just have to simply select the option of go to connect. Now on the next page, you just have to wait for some time until the setup is completed. Once the setup finishes, you can rename the smart plug so that it would be easier for you to recognize it later. So when you are done, you can just simply test turning the plug on and off directly from the application. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.